Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not downloading. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to exit Steam completely. Make sure the application is fully closed and not just minimized to your system tray. After that, locate your Steam shortcut, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrative privileges can resolve many permission-related issues that might be preventing your downloads from working properly. Now that Steam has reopened with elevated permissions, you'll want to check if Steam is accidentally set to offline mode, which would prevent any downloads from starting. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam to open the main menu. If you see an option that says Go Online, click it. This will switch Steam back to online mode and allow your downloads to proceed. Next, in the upper left corner, click on Steam again, and this time select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section contains all the configuration options related to how Steam handles your game downloads and updates. In the Downloads section, navigate to Download Region. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select the region nearest to you. Choosing a closer server can significantly improve your download speeds and stability. After selecting your region, click Restart Now to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically. Once Steam restarts, go back to Settings and then Downloads again. This time, scroll down until you find Download Cache. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation window will appear, so click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted temporary files that might be blocking your downloads. After this, you'll need to log back into Steam since clearing the cache logs you out. Now try downloading your games again. In most cases, these steps should resolve the issue and your downloads should start working normally. If your games still aren't downloading, there's one more thing you can try. You'll need to repair the Steam library folder. Go back to Settings and in the left panel, click on Storage. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the local drive where your Steam games are installed and not downloading. Click on this drop-down and choose the appropriate drive. After selecting the drive, look for the 3 dotted lines icon and click it. From the menu that appears, select Repair Library. This process will verify and fix any issues with your Steam library folder that might be preventing downloads. Once the repair is complete, restart your PC to ensure all changes take effect, and then try downloading your Steam games again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.